Hey everyone, welcome to another quick tutorial. In this video, we're going to talk about the Reporting tab and how you can use it to view appointment data. You need to be in a sub-account or location. Locate the Reporting tab on the left side and click on it to access the various reporting functions. Next, click on Appointment Report. All information about your appointments that were set through your calendars will be shown here. It's defaulted to show all calendars, but you also have some filters available. So if you click the Filters option, you can choose a specific calendar, filter by when the appointment was created or by whom the appointment was created for, and you can also choose a specific date range. So I'll set it for these dates, click Apply, and the information will update. It will show here how many booked appointments there are, how many are confirmed, how many showed, and how many no-showed or canceled. Below that are some pie charts for some visuals. Below the charts, you'll also be able to see a breakdown of each appointment. Calendar the appointment was booked on, when it was requested and added, contact name, and who created the appointment. So that's how you can take advantage of the Reporting tab for your appointments. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Have a great day. Thanks for watching this short how-to video. For more how-to videos, check out the High Level How-Tos playlist in the High Level YouTube channel.